The world of animals is filled with astonishing mysteries, some of which we may never fully comprehend. Every corner of the planet, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountaintops, holds incredible secrets about the creatures we share it with. These animals have evolved in remarkable ways to survive, thrive, and interact with their environments, leaving us in awe of their capabilities and adaptations. Many of the facts about them might seem almost unbelievable, but they underline just how diverse and extraordinary life on Earth truly is. Imagine a creature that can regrow its brain or one that lives without oxygen. These are not science fiction creations but real-life wonders. For instance, the immortal jellyfish, known scientifically as Turritopsis dohrnii, has an extraordinary ability to revert to its juvenile form after reaching adulthood, essentially allowing it to avoid death from aging. While it doesn't mean these jellyfish live forever, as they can still fall prey to predators, this ability has fascinated scientists as a potential key to understanding aging and regeneration. Then there's the axolotl, often referred to as the Mexican walking fish, though it's not a fish at all. This amphibian possesses an almost magical ability to regenerate not just its limbs but also parts of its spinal cord, heart, and other organs. What's even more astonishing is that they retain their larval features throughout their lives, a condition called neoteny, which allows them to remain aquatic even as adults. Scientists study these creatures intensively, hoping to unlock secrets that could one day help human medicine. In the insect world, we encounter similarly baffling phenomena. Take the fairy fly, a type of tiny wasp. It's so small that its brain fills most of its body cavity, and it has fewer neurons than a honeybee, but that doesn't stop it from performing complex tasks like flying and hunting. Meanwhile, the cockroach, which many people find unpleasant, can survive for weeks without its head. This bizarre trait is because its brain isn't centralized like ours. Instead, nerve ganglia throughout its body control its essential functions. Birds also offer countless surprises. The common swift, for example, spends most of its life airborne. These birds can stay aloft for up to 10 months without landing, eating, sleeping, and even mating while in flight. Their wings and bodies are perfectly adapted for this life on the move. Similarly, pigeons, often overlooked in urban areas, are incredible navigators. They use the Earth's magnetic fields as a guide and can return to their home from hundreds of miles away, even in unfamiliar territory. Underwater, the surprises are endless. Octopuses, for instance, are considered among the most intelligent animals, capable of solving puzzles, escaping enclosures, and even using tools. Their intelligence is matched by their physical abilities, such as squeezing through impossibly tight spaces and changing color and texture to blend seamlessly into their surroundings. But octopuses also have 3 hearts and blue blood, making them uniquely suited for their ocean environments. Another aquatic marvel is the mantis shrimp. Despite its small size, this creature has one of the most powerful punches in the animal kingdom. It can strike with the force of a bullet, capable of breaking through glass or smashing its prey's shells. Even more impressively, mantis shrimp have some of the most complex eyes in the animal kingdom, with the ability to see polarized light and a range of colors beyond human perception. On land, we find animals with equally fascinating traits. The tardigrade, often called the water bear, is a microscopic organism renowned for its resilience. It can survive extreme conditions, from the vacuum of space to intense radiation and freezing temperatures. Tardigrades achieve this by entering a state called cryptobiosis, where their metabolism effectively shuts down, allowing them to endure until conditions improve. Another astounding land creature is the platypus. This egg-laying mammal defies classification, combining traits of mammals, birds, and reptiles. It has venomous spurs on its hind legs and uses electroreception to hunt underwater, detecting the electric fields generated by the movements of its prey. The platypus' unique characteristics make it one of nature's most curious evolutionary experiments. Even domestic animals can surprise us. Cats, for example, have a specialized collarbone that allows them to always land on their feet, a phenomenon known as the riding reflex. They also purr not just when they're happy but also when they're injured or stressed. Some researchers believe that purring may help promote healing, as the frequency of their purrs is known to stimulate tissue regeneration and relieve pain. Dogs, our faithful companions, have noses so sensitive they can detect medical conditions like cancer or diabetes in humans. They've also been shown to understand up to 250 words and gestures, making them among the most communicative non-human animals. But beyond their utility and loyalty, dogs possess a kind of empathy that few other species exhibit, often responding to human emotions in ways that feel profoundly comforting. Even animals we consider common, like ants, possess mind-boggling abilities. Leafcutter ants, for example, are farmers, cultivating fungus on the leaves they collect. This fungus serves as their primary food source, showcasing a level of agricultural sophistication previously thought to be exclusive to humans. Meanwhile, army ants form living bridges with their own bodies, enabling their colonies to traverse gaps and obstacles with incredible teamwork and precision. In the frozen Arctic, polar bears are masters of survival. Their fur isn't white but translucent, reflecting visible light to appear white and blend with their snowy surroundings. Beneath their fur, their skin is black, helping them absorb and retain heat. These adaptations allow them to thrive in some of the harshest conditions on Earth. Then there are the elusive pangolins, the only mammals fully covered in scales. These scales are made of keratin, the same substance as human nails, and provide a nearly impenetrable defense against predators. Despite their armored appearance, pangolins are gentle creatures, using their long, sticky tongues to feed on ants and termites. The animal kingdom never ceases to amaze, and even the smallest creatures can teach us something profound about resilience, adaptation, and the intricacies of life. Every discovery brings us closer to understanding how interconnected we all are, revealing the intricate web of relationships that sustain life on this planet. Animals, in their astonishing diversity, remind us of the boundless creativity of nature and the importance of preserving the habitats that allow these wonders to exist. Each creature, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, plays a role in the grand tapestry of life, and every new fact we learn enriches our appreciation for the world around us.